Hey guys, just doing a quick video to walk you through and show you some of the features of this portable AC cooling fan here. First thing, this is pretty much what it comes like out of the box, with the exception of course, I plugged in the USB-C charging cord there, just so you can see what it came with. So about a 3-foot cord. The cool thing is that in order to fill up this tank, it's super easy. You just twist that over, and then you have your fill lid there. So just pull off this cap, fill it up with water, put the cap back on, and then set it again. Um, just walk you through some of the buttons. Of course, you saw I accidentally just hit the power button. So there's your power button to turn it on. You have your fan speed here. It definitely feels really strong, especially for a battery powered one. So you have 3 options, so high, medium, low. Next is, you see it looks like little water droplets or raindrops there. You push that when you want it to do operate your misting function. I don't have water in it, so you can see it's giving me that red flashing light to indicate that I need to add water into it if I want to do this right now. So hit that again and turn it off. It also has cool different LED options. So off, green, blue/white light, and then red. You can just cycle through those until you get back off. Then you have a timer here. This is a 8-hour timer, I believe is what it had. So 0 to 8. And then at the end is your battery indicator button. So you hit that to see how much battery you have. I have 63% battery left on this thing now. So, make sure you charge it up fully when you get it. And there you go. That's all the functions you have for it.